Service fucking up, man. Service fucking up now, bro. I'm in the we in the trenches with here. We get no service. There's one pole for the whole city.
Oh, it's some bullshit.
Bro,
you just had to be.
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all already know what the fuck it is, man. CMD Rambo about to turn the fuck up, you heard?
Let's get what they been waiting for.
Eastside shit, you heard?
This shit like child play, feel like I'm Chucky. I might just buy a new whip if you lucky. Fuck it, you moving yucky. I want my shooter all black in a bucket. They call me Brown, but Don be rocky. She throwing kite cause I ain't responding. She going done with her hair like a blondie. Tell her don't stop till I'm feeling beyond. Tell her don't fuck with my vibe. You know I'm cut up, I'm lit niggas shut up, big bluff from my brother the vibes. She from the suburbs, I hit with no rubber. She love when I come up inside her. Red be the color my eyes. Blue be the color the bills. Mommy she loving the feels. My brother got trouble with 5. The other got trouble with pills. I only got couple of reels. The fully get double the kills. Mommy like, where's you at? You bugging like, where they do that? In the trenches, where I be at. No picket fences, where I be at. I pick a fence, don't get offensive. I'm in events, don't get a vengeance. I'm in the back of the coupe, it's dimensions. That nigga bun, cause he don't get mentioned. Poppy, you know we outside. Free on my nigga, let Brody outside. I got the 40 outside. I got the rollie, the pulley, the blow in your butt. When the police arrive, better not say a word. Or get hit with a curve. Or get hit with a or get hit with a swerve, when I swerve in a bleaky, he get nervous and geeky, yeah, that word a big Nietzsche, call me Goku, I took a sensu bean and smoking on Chi-Chi, Barnes and Noble, Brody got booked, cause niggas be talking like speeches, I'm wildin' out for no reason, I'm wildin' out with the demons, I know these niggas be scheming, I know these niggas be dreaming, call me Goku, I took a sensu bean and smoking on Chi-Chi, Barnes and Noble, Brody got booked, cause niggas be talking like speeches, I'm wildin' out for no reason, I'm wildin' out with the demons, I know these niggas be scheming, I know these niggas be dreaming.